How to upscale your blurry image using Canva. At first, upload the image or photo you want to upscale. Take a look of this image quality before I upscale it. Now go to Apps feature of Canva and search Image Upscaler.
Yes, select this image upscaler app. Select the first one.
Now choose the image. Remember, you can upscale any image up to 4x time. From the bottom, select Upscaler Amount and click Upscale Image. Wait few seconds. It will ask you to replace the new image. Replace it and zoom in. Now see the result. The image quality improved 3 times more than its main image. This is how you can upscale unlimited photo using Canva. Subscribe this channel for more tutorials like this.